Good morning. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to discuss about alphabet series. We saw up to 23rd sum. Now we are moving to 24th sum. Already we saw about 23 sum, which is different kinds of sum, different method we used. Now we are moving to 24th one. The question is GH, JL, NQ, SW, YD, question mark. See, GH, G and H. G and H are nearest alphabet. So G is 7 and H is 8. And then JL. J is 10th one and L is 12th one. Then NQ. N is 14, Q is 17. N is 14, Q is 17. Then SW. S is 19, W is 23. S is 19, W is 23. Then YD. Y is 25 and D is 4. Y is 25 and D is 4. So we write the numbers according to the given series in ascending order. G is 7, A is A, H is 8. There is no difference between these numbers. So we move to next alphabet. J is 10, L is 12. Here is 2 is the difference. Here 0, here 2. Then between this number it's 3, and then between this number it's 4. Then again between this number it's 5. How I am saying 5 is 25th is Y, then 26 is Z, then after that A will be continued. A, B, C and then D. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th one is the D. So only I said 5 is the difference. Okay. Here 0, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is the difference, 2 is the difference, 3, and here 4 and here 5. And also between these two alphabet, because they given comma here now, so we have to take this one as first set, second set, here this one is third set, this one is fourth, and then 5. Between this alphabet the difference is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this two alphabets are taken as 1. This one as 2, next NQ as 3, SW as 4 and YD as 5. So if we taken GH as 1, the difference between 1 and 2, what say, leave the 1 and 2 difference, they leave GH, they leave I, and the J and L are given. They leave I. Left alphabets. They left the alphabet I. Okay. Then between 2 and 3, 2 is J, L, and then 3 is N and Q. Between 2 and 3, J, L, or they leave M. Here between this they leave M. And similarly between 3 and 4, 3 is NQ and 4 is SW. 3 is NQ, 4 is SW. Between 3 and 4, they leave Q, between nothing but Q and S. Between this, they leave R. Okay, can you understand? If you have any doubt, please comment me, I will clear it. Between W and Y, they leave X. Okay, then YD is the fifth alphabet series. After D, they should leave one alphabet, because here all between all the alphabets they leave only one alphabet. So here also they will leave one alphabet. After D, they should leave E, and then the next answer must be F. Okay, we found the next alphabet is F, but we should find another alphabet too. Here the difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then between this and the next number, the difference should be 6. So after 6, after F, we should leave 6 alphabet. Sixth alphabet we should write. See, after F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you understand? After F, the sixth alphabet we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth one is L. Excuse me. Sixth one is L. Hence the answer is sixth one is L. Hence the answer is F, L. Can you understand? If you have any doubt, please comment me, I will clear it. This is different method. But it is easy only, but it should take more time to analyze. If you practice repeatedly, we can easily work out it in an exam. This is the sixth alphabet series. Okay. Then we are moving to 25th sum. The question is, DF, GJ, K, M, N, Q, R, T, then question mark. So here D is 4 and F is 6, G is 7, J is 10, K is 11, M is 13, N is 14, Q is 17, R is 18, and then T is 20. So see this. See, here the difference between this number is 2. Here it's 3. Here it's 2. Here it's 3. Here it's 2. Okay. Then between this series and this series, what's the difference? See, D, F, G, J. There is no difference. After F, they write as G. Yeah, it's in series only, ABCD series only. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, they leave 2 numbers, 3 numbers, and third number is J. Then I, J, K, next number. Yeah, this is in series only, okay. After F, it's G, J, K, L. They leave 2 numbers, which is L, K, L. The next number is M, they written here. M, N, then Q, R, then S, T, After t, what should come? U. So next alphabet is U. Here the difference is 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Then what come next? U is 21. The difference should be 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is 24th one. 3 is 24th one. So 24th is X. Hence the answer is UX. Have we clear? If you have any doubt, please comment me. This is a simple sum. So here we conclude. We will see different sums in next section. Thank you. Happy day. Please subscribe and share my channel.